In today's video, we're talking about why a beautiful website still struggles to rank. I'm Crystal from Creative Sparrow Digital. Your website can look beautiful and still struggle to get found on Google. And most small business owners don't realize it has nothing to do with design. Google doesn't rank websites based on how pretty they are. It looks at what's underneath the design. Your structure, your headings, how clear the page is, whether your content matches what people are searching for. If those pieces are missing, Google simply can't understand your pages, even if everything looks amazing on the surface. You might have the perfect branding, your photos look great, your colors feel right, but if Google can't understand the topic or purpose of your page, it has no reason to rank it. And if visitors land on your site and feel confused, or there's nothing guiding them forwards, they leave, which causes your visibility to drop even more. The good news is that your website usually isn't broken, it just needs clarity in the right places. A few gentle fixes to your headings, keywords, content structure, and speed can make a huge difference. This is why SEO audits help. They show you exactly what's slowing things down, what matters most, and what to fix first. If this sounds familiar, I wrote a full blog that walks you through all this in simple, friendly language. You can read it on my site, and if you need beginner-friendly fixes that you can apply right away, the DIY website tune-up guide is a great place to start.